In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to move your ONDO Finance from your exchange to your Ledger Cold wallet and then back to the exchange. Here's what the steps look like. We're going to skip the buying selling part since I'm assuming you already know how that works. But if you don't, no worries, you can check out the buy and sell video at any time. The main focus here are the transfers. In this example, I'll be using a Ledger Nano S Plus, but the steps are pretty much the same for the Nano S, Nano X, and other Ledger Cold wallets. I'll be using Kraken as the exchange since it's one of the most popular centralized exchanges in North America. Now, that said, the exchange you use doesn't really matter. The process is basically the same for all of them. What does matter is making sure that you have the correct wallet address and correct network, because sending crypto to the wrong address could mean losing it forever. So the example we have here is the Radium token that's running on the Solana network in Kraken. And we want to transfer it to the Ledger Live, so we have to ensure that we're using the same network. There are 3 security requirements that you must follow before doing the transfers. Number 1, make sure your operating system is up to date. And if you can't update it because your hardware is too old, maybe it's time to upgrade the hardware. Number 2, update all software. In this case, specifically, we're going to be using Chrome to connect to the exchange, the Ledger Live software to connect to your ledger. And if you have an antivirus, make sure your virus definitions are up to date. And last but not least, ensure that your Ledger firmware is also running at the latest version. Okay, let's start. So on the left side, I have Kraken open inside Chrome. And on the right side, I have Ledger Live software open, connected to the Ledger device, as you can see in the bottom right corner. And it's unlocked, ready to go. So what we want to do now is click withdraw on ONDO, just to understand what type of coin or token it is. Here we go, ONDO. Okay, and as you can see, it shows that it's an Ethereum network. I'm just going to delete the old address because we're sending it to a different Ledger device. On the right side, I'm going to click on accounts, Ethereum, and then click on add token. And just to confirm that it's supported, I'm going to look for ONDO. Here we go. And it shows that it's supported under Ethereum. So click continue. The Ledger is going to ask me to open the Ethereum app so we can get the address from it. Here's the address. It's good. So I can just verify and close it right away. Okay. So on the left side in Kraken, I'm going to click add withdrawal address, paste this, and call it Ledger ONDO between brackets Ethereum. So I know that it's running on the Ethereum network. Click add withdraw address, continue. So now it says pending email confirmation. I'm going to go to my email. It's this one here. I'm going to click confirm address. The address was approved, so that's a good sign. And as you notice, the yellow part that says pending is gone. So now I'm going to select the full amount by clicking on the purple button, click review, and validate the details. So it's the amount, the coin, the fee, makes sense. Withdraw, yes, and the address is 3 BED, which I remember because it's the same as the Ethereum address. So I'm just going to click confirm. And the transaction was initiated. Okay, as you can see, ONDO has arrived to the Ledger. We can see it in the Ledger Live. Now it's time to send it back to the exchange. So we're going to click deposit in Kraken. And then type the name of the coin. Copy the address. And here it's saying network is Ethereum. So the same as the one we have. And click send. Paste. Okay, click continue. I'm going to select the full amount by clicking on send max. and I'm gonna select the fast transaction. And please notice that in the bottom, it's using Ethereum as a gas fee or a network fee. And just another reminder that whenever you have multiple tokens running on either Ethereum or Solana, to always send the tokens first and keep the parent for the end. So the parent coin, like the Ethereum and Solana, should be sent at the end completely when all the other tokens have been running on those networks are gone. So I'm going to click continue. Continue again. And now I have to confirm the transaction on the ledger. So I'm going to press write from, that's the amount, the fees, sign transaction. Actually, just one more thing before. I just want to check if we do have the minimum requirements, something I didn't check. So the minimum deposit is 20. Okay, and we have 50, so it's good. Something I forgot to mention earlier. So we're going to sign the transaction. Then I can close this. And if I click on the activity tab, it's not this one. It's ONDO that we're looking for. So maybe if I refresh a couple of times, it should show. Okay, I paused the video for a couple of seconds, but now we can see that the deposit is showing and is pending, which is a very good sign. So it means that it arrived at the exchange and it's just going to take a couple of minutes to clear. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and please let me know if you have any questions in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer them.